Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Minecraft ship. First, find a large body of water, like an ocean or a big lake, to build your vessel. Start by laying down the keel, which is the very bottom line of your ship. This acts as the backbone. Then, build up the hull's frame, making sure it's symmetrical and strong. Think about the overall size and shape you want your ship to have before you place your first block. Next, construct the main deck of your ship. Remember to leave openings for stairwells and hatches. Inside, start building the interior walls and floors to create separate rooms, like a captain's cabin, crew quarters, or a storage area. Don't forget to add essential functional items such as beds, chests for your loot, and crafting tables to make your ship truly useful. Now it's time to add the masts and sails. Use tall fence posts or log blocks for your masts, making them as high as you desire. For the sails, wool or concrete blocks work wonderfully to create different colors and patterns. Finally, enhance your ship's appearance with decorative details such as railings along the deck, an anchor hanging off the bow, and lanterns for nighttime illumination. For the final touches, ensure your ship is well lit both inside and out to prevent mob spawns and create a cozy atmosphere. Personalize your vessel with custom banners, flags, and even a unique nameplate. You can also add more intricate crew quarters or a grand captain's bridge. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your real-world space too.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.